Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from Telegram PW. First, locate the official physics wallet channels on Telegram to ensure you're getting authentic study materials. Once you've found them, download the necessary lectures and notes. It's crucial to organize these files into dedicated folders on your device. This simple step will save you a lot of time and frustration later, making your study process much smoother and more efficient. To maximize your learning, watch video lectures actively. Don't just passively view them. Pause frequently to jot down key concepts and formulas. After each lecture, review your notes within a day to reinforce the information. Then, immediately tackle practice problems related to the topic. This active recall and application are essential for solidifying your understanding and improving retention. Beyond the core lectures, leverage additional resources. Join Telegram discussion groups to ask questions and interact with fellow students. These communities can provide valuable insights and support. Also, make sure to utilize supplementary materials such as quizzes and past exam papers. Integrating these into a consistent study schedule, perhaps 2 to 3 hours each day, will significantly enhance your preparation. Staying motivated is key to long-term success. Set achievable daily and weekly study goals to keep your momentum going. Remember to take short, refreshing breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to prevent burnout and maintain focus. It's also helpful to explore different learning methods. For more great deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading your study materials anywhere, make sure to check the link in the description below. This approach will help you stay engaged and make your study journey more enjoyable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.